Welcome to ByteFurther. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 15 vibrating randomly without a notification. One day, your phone vibrates for one single beat like you're getting a new text or notification. Upon checking, however, there's no visible alert popping up on the screen. You might think it's just a wired phantom vibration, until an iPhone 15 randomly vibrates for no reason with no notification several times a day. If this issue has been driving you nuts, we're here to help figure it out. First of all, why is your iPhone 15 vibrating without any notification? It might be due to the customized notification settings, software glitches, faulty accessories, app or system errors, or damaged vibration motors. To eliminate these issues, there are a number of simple steps you can take to stop iPhone 15 from vibrating for no reason. Here's a list of fixes, and try them one by one until the random buzz issue is resolved. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Force restart an iPhone 15. In many cases, doing a reboot is the go-to way to sort out the issue of iPhone 15 vibrating randomly. To do that, try this sequence of button presses rapidly. Press volume up, press volume down, and then hold the side button for as long as it takes to see the Apple logo. After the reboot, check if the random vibration on iPhone 15 stops. Step 2. Take a look at the notification settings. When an iPhone 15 keeps vibrating without alerts, the easily overlooked fact is that the haptic feature is enabled while the visual notifications are turned off. Follow these steps to check out the notification settings for all apps. Go to Settings. Scroll down to tap Notifications. Locate the Notification Style section. Choose the app that has allowed notifications. Then, take a look at the Alerts section. Among Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banner, make sure at least one option is ticked. If neither of them is selected, then it'll cause your iPhone 15 to vibrate without popping up a notification. Step 3. Turn off haptics feature. To stop ghost vibrations on iPhone 15, switching off haptic feedback is the most direct way. Here's what you need to do. Open the Settings app. Tap on Sounds and Haptics. Locate the System Haptics feature. If it's on, tap the toggle to switch it off. If your iPhone 15 still vibrates for no reason, tap Haptics under the Ringtone and Alerts section. Tick Never Play. The annoying random vibrations should not return now. Step 4. Remove problematic apps. It's possible that one or more apps are malfunctioning and continuously causing vibrations. Pay attention to which app is active when getting random vibrations without getting notifications in iPhone 15. If you have the name, find the app and long press the icon. From the opening menu, choose Remove App. When asked, select the Delete App option to confirm. Then, switch your phone off and on again, and monitor for vibrations. Step 5. Inspect the connected peripherals. Does your iPhone 15 buzz for no reason with a third-party accessory plugged in? For instance, consider a charging cable. If the random vibration happens when connecting to a power source, here are a few things to look at. Is the connection loose? Does the cable have any signs of damage, such as rips and bends? Is the cord officially certified? Is the device's port dirty? Step 6. Install the newest iOS. To do this, tap to open the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. If it shows you a newer version of iOS available to download, just tap it to upgrade the system. Once done, see if you manage to fix the random vibration on your iPhone 15. Step 7. Reset all iPhone 15 settings. Sometimes, a glitch from the setting will interfere with the haptic feature and cause an iPhone 15 to buzz randomly. As it's hard to pinpoint, the quickest way to fix it is to reset all settings to their factory defaults. All your saved data and content like contacts, photos, app data will be safe and sound. Here are the steps to follow. Head to the Settings app. Select General. Scroll all the way down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, choose Reset. A few options will pop up. From there, choose Reset All Settings. Enter the lock passcode and tap Reset All Settings to confirm. Step 8. Examine component failure. Now, the software-related problems have been eliminated. If your iPhone 15 still vibrates randomly with no notification, time to inspect the device's vibration motors. It's best to take your phone and have it examined at an authorized repair place. The technician expert there will run a thorough diagnostic on the device's vibration motors and tell you if it needs to be replaced or repaired. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 15 vibrating for no reason without notifications. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the ByteFurther channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.